is the lecture number 1 of your chapter number 3, and subject is your favorite, absolutely right and correct. Your subject is English, right? I know that you are loving so much the easiest subject ever for you. Back to this now. I want to ask you a few questions in the beginning of this lecture. That how many of you are just having fear from your parents? In parents also, let me divide something. How many of you are having fear with your father? How many of you are just having that, oh my god, don't tell my father, he is so strict? Yes, if you say yes or no, I get your answer that many of us, I think almost of us, we are having fear from father. So you will ask me that, ma'am, do you also having fear from your father? Yes, obviously, because the father figure himself, it is like that we are just having fear, that we are sharing each and everything to our father, to our mother, but all the things are we sharing to father? There is something like father is like a coconut. What we will learn from this chapter, at the end of this chapter, we will have the same feeling what I am telling just now. It is like that father is like a coconut. Now you will tell me that, ma'am, how the comparison is being made in between the father and coconut. Can you describe me how the coconut is? You will tell that, ma'am, there is no special about that. We all have seen, right? I am also agreeing that we all have seen the coconut. Then you must be realized that father is like a coconut. It means that from outside, very tough, very hard, and from inside, whenever you will see, you will find that, oh, how soft it is. Father is also like the same. From outside, for the society, for the people, for each and everyone, very strict, very hard to understand. But if you will go inside of the heart of father, you will find that, oh my god, what a big heart the father is having. What soft heart the father is having. So this is so important to understand the father. So this story is totally based on father and daughter's relation, right? It is not so that who the people are like boys, so son and father ka relation alag aisa nahi hai. But this is a story of a daughter and father, and by which you will understand even the son and father and daughter and father relations are always same, right? The children and father, parents. But here the example has been given with the daughter. Now see, obviously the name of the chapter is The Little Girl, right? Let's start this chapter. In the story, there was a little girl named Kezia. This is important for you, which you have to underline. Kezia is the name of a girl. In the story, there was a little girl named Kezia. She lives with her father, mother and grandmother. So here they have given the names, not names but the characters. Then how many characters you will find? First of all, Kezia herself, her father, her mother and her grandmother. Now again let me ask you a question before we go further, that from father, mother and grandmother, to whom you will be so close? Give me answer, right? To whom you will be so close, and your answer would be that we are so close to our grandmother, right? दादी नानी स्टोरी सुनाते हैं और लोरी सुनाते हैं, रात को हमारे पास रहते हैं। अगर मम्मी पापा ने डांट लिया तो कौन हमें सेव कर लेता है? कौन बचा लेता है? Obviously grandmother or grandfather, right? So grandparents are always so close to the children, right? And so they are just saving us from the scolding of parents, our mother and father, and they are giving so many gifts to us too. So obviously उसमें डिस्कस करने की कोई चीज़ ही नहीं है that Kezia will be so close to grandmother. She was afraid of his father and tries to avoid him all the time. So by the sentences we can say that father would be so strict. और इतने strict कि Kezia इतनी डर गई है, so she always tried to avoid him. Avoid him, it means to father. Right? She is always finding a way that she don't want to talk with father. She will not find any kind of other topics by which she need to converse with father. Moreover, she feels comforted on seeing his father leaving for office. So always she is just feeling comfortable, right? The feeling of relief whenever her father is going to the office, because we know that office hours could be from morning to evening. So she was so much fearful, she was so frightened with father. So father जब घर पे नहीं होंगे तो बहुत अच्छा atmosphere, जैसे ही father का घर पे आना तो बोलती बंद. So this was the situation of Kezia. So whenever father is just leaving to office, so she was having the relief of relaxation, right? She was feeling so much relaxed whenever father is going to office. Now she was so afraid of her father that she stuttered in front of him. Now what is meaning of stuttering? Stutter. What is meaning of stutter? Do you know this? So what I did just now, repetition of a particular word, right? We cannot speak fluently, right? With the flow we cannot speak something, that is called stutter, right? We are using stammering also. So stuttering it means we are not able to speak in a flow, right? No, I don't want. So before in initial, right? In initial only this happened. Getting it? So I hope that you got the meaning of stutter, right? So in the initial time, in the initial sentence only they are having this problem. एक बार start हो जाए उसके बाद problem नहीं होता, right? She was let's start again. So she was so afraid. So this was example of stuttering, right? She was so afraid of her father that she stuttered in front of him as he appeared to her as rude, critical and harsh. And it was not like that Kezia was having a problem of stuttering with each and everyone. She was only stuttering in front of father. Why? Because father was so rude, so critical and so harsh. Right? The father has never spoke in a soft way with Kezia. So this is what the reason why she was stuttering in front of him only. As he appeared to her as rude, critical and harsh, further her grandmother told her to understand her parents better. That's why she would encourage her to go to drawing room to chat with them. With them it means here we have to take meaning, that is the parents, right? Obviously grandmother would be having the wish that my grandchild must be having good relation with them, with her parents. Right, so this is what the wish, desire of grandmother. The grandmother was always encouraging Kezia to talk with her parents. जब भी संडे हो तो ऑफिस नहीं होती तो पापा घर पे होते हैं. So grandmother is telling, always encouraging her to go to mother and father and try to speak, try to converse with father and mother. And we know that if we want to understand a person, we have to speak more and more with those people. We have to make good conversation with those particular one. राइट, हमें पता नहीं फ्रेंडशिप कब बहुत ही अच्छी हो जाए, जब हम रोज बात करें, शेयर करें, ये करें वो करें. बट बाय द कॉन्वर्जेशन इट इज बिकमिंग मोर अटैच्ड. Right? So this is what the reason that grandmother told to Kezia, that you will have better understanding of your father and mother. What you are having mentality, they are not on the same, right? So you must try for the same. That's why she would encourage her to go to drawing room. Right? Yeah, drawing room में होते हैं mother and father. So you go to drawing room and chat with them, chat with parents. It means you try to have conversation with your parents. Now, will Kezia go? Will she get reply in a good way? Will father scold her? What will happen that father would be so soft, or he will be only strict? So those things we will see in the next session. So till time, goodbye, take care. And yes, if you are finding this story very interesting, then definitely you can read this story because it is given in your textbook, right? So this is really a wonderful story. So till time, goodbye, take care, have a nice day.
आभार।